Picture this, a stretch of white sand in Playa del Carmen, the sound of the Caribbean rolling in just steps from your room, and a wristband that means you never have to think about pulling out your wallet for a drink or a meal. That is the basic promise of the Wyndham Alltra Playa del Carmen adults only all-inclusive, a four-star beachfront resort that sits right at the heart of one of Mexico's most popular vacation spots. Owned and operated under the Wyndham brand, this property has gone through a few name changes over the years, previously known as Panama Jack Resorts Playa del Carmen and before that Gran Puerto Real, but its current identity is clear. Grown-ups only escape with food, drinks, and entertainment all rolled into one price. Tucked along Avenida Constituyentes, the resort puts guests within a 1-minute walk of the famous Fifth Avenue and the city center, which makes it a favorite for travelers who want resort comfort without feeling cut off from the buzz of the town. With a TripAdvisor score of 4.4 from more than 15,000 reviews and a booking score of 8.4, it has clearly earned a loyal following. This review takes a closer look at what guests can actually expect when they check in. Starting with the rooms, the Wyndham Alltra offers a mix of layouts designed to suit couples, friend groups, and small parties traveling together. Options include suites, quad rooms, configurations with one queen bed, rooms with two full beds, and a flexible setup featuring a sofa bed paired with a queen bed for those who want a little extra sleeping space. While exact room sizes are not widely published, the variety alone signals that the resort is set up to handle different types of travelers, from honeymooners wanting a romantic nest to a quartet of friends looking to split costs on a Caribbean getaway. The adults-only policy means the entire vibe of the accommodations leans more relaxed and quiet, without the early morning thump of running kids in the hallway. Many of the rooms enjoy partial or full views of the resort grounds, the pools, or in some cases the ocean beyond, which is always a plus when you wake up on vacation. Inside the rooms, guests can expect the standard set of resort amenities you would hope for at this level, including air conditioning, comfortable bedding, private bathrooms, and the usual in-room conveniences that make a stay feel like a proper retreat. The decor leans into the bright, breezy Caribbean style with light colors and tropical accents that complement the destination. Sleep quality scored a respectable 4.3 on TripAdvisor, which suggests most guests do rest well, though a few might find the lively nature of the resort means some rooms catch a bit of noise from the surrounding entertainment areas. For travelers prioritizing peace and quiet over proximity to the action, requesting a room further from the central pool or bar zones is a smart move. Overall, the rooms feel functional and comfortable rather than ultra-luxurious, which fits the four-star positioning of the property. When it comes to food and drink, the Wyndham Alltra leans into the variety side of the all-inclusive equation with several dining venues under one roof. Off-the-hook handles the seafood lovers' cravings with an oceanfront feel, while Brasas focuses on grilled fare for those who want a heartier meal after a day in the sun. La Pizzeria offers exactly what its name suggests, doling out hot pies for the carb-loving crowd, and Quick Delights serves as the casual grab-something-fast option when you do not feel like sitting through a long dinner. Then there is Bella for a more refined sit-down experience, Ventanas for international buffet-style choices, and Zerup, which brings in regional Mexican flavors that allow guests to taste the country they are visiting. Having 7 different dining outlets means a typical week-long stay can pass without ever eating the same thing twice, which is always a nice perk in the all-inclusive world. The bar scene is just as varied and is genuinely one of the highlights of the property. Guests have access to 2 poolside bars where drinks come quickly and the atmosphere stays upbeat, a swim-up bar for those who would rather not leave the water, and a beach bar that puts cold cocktails within arm's reach of a sandy lounger. The bartenders here have earned consistent praise for being friendly, attentive, and willing to mix something special if you ask nicely. Whether the order is a classic margarita, a tropical fruit blend, a cold beer, or something a little stronger, the drink selection keeps things flowing. The all-inclusive wristband covers everything, so there is no awkward tab watching or wallet fumbling, which lets guests truly relax into vacation mode. For anyone who values a good drink without the hassle, the bar setup here delivers nicely. The pools and beaches at the Wyndham Alltra are arguably the centerpiece of the experience, and rightly so given the resort's beachfront location. The main pool serves as a social hub during the day, with music, activities, and plenty of loungers arranged around its edges. A swim-up bar lets guests drift over and order without ever stepping out of the water, which is one of those little luxuries that makes an all-inclusive feel worth the price. A hot tub is also available for guests wanting a warmer soak, particularly nice in the evenings when the air cools slightly. The pool deck stays lively but rarely feels chaotic, striking a balance that adults seem to appreciate. Just steps from the pool is the resort's stretch of beach, with direct access to the soft sands of Playa del Carmen. The nearest beach is essentially right at the doorstep, and the famous Mamitas Beach and Playa del Carmen main beach are within easy walking distance. Loungers and umbrellas are provided for guests, which means no one has to wage a war for shade. The water here is the classic Caribbean blue, calm enough for swimming and shallow enough near the shore for relaxed wading. Water activities are typically available, including snorkeling and other beach-based fun, though anyone wanting full-blown scuba excursions or boat trips would likely book those through a local operator nearby. The beach location is consistently called out by reviewers as one of the resort's best features, scoring a strong 4.7 for location on TripAdvisor. For guests who like to stay active even while on vacation, the resort offers a range of activities to keep things interesting. A fitness center is available on-site, giving early risers a chance to squeeze in a workout before hitting the breakfast buffet. Beach volleyball, water aerobics in the pool, and group games are often part of the daily entertainment schedule, with animation teams keeping the energy up for those who want to join in. The lively atmosphere is something TripAdvisor reviewers have specifically highlighted, with guests pointing out that the resort really leans into keeping people entertained throughout the day. Evening entertainment typically includes live music, themed shows, and dance opportunities that keep the social vibe going well after sunset. Beyond the on-site offerings, the location itself opens up plenty of cultural and recreational possibilities. Playa del Carmen serves as a launching point for day trips to nearby Mayan ruins, cenotes, and the famous theme parks of the Riviera Maya region. Cultural curiosity can be satisfied with short excursions to sites like Cholum or Coba, where ancient stone structures give a sense of the history that runs deep in this part of Mexico. Closer to the resort, the energy of Fifth Avenue itself offers a kind of cultural immersion through its mix of shops, street performers, and dining options. Whether guests prefer to stay active on the property or strike out and explore, the choices feel plentiful and reasonable to access. Wellness travelers will appreciate the on-site spa, which provides a quiet retreat from the more energetic parts of the resort. Treatments typically include massages, facials, body wraps, and other pampering options that help guests unwind after a day of sun and activity. A skilled team of therapists works to provide that classic spa experience where guests can drift off to soft music and warm towels. While specific details about saunas, steam rooms, and detox programs are not heavily promoted in the available information, most resorts of this size and tier include those kinds of amenities as part of their wellness offering. The general experience leans toward relaxation and rejuvenation rather than medical-grade wellness programs. The spa pairs nicely with the resort's hot tub and pool areas, which can also serve as informal wellness spaces for guests who prefer their relaxation to come with a frozen drink in hand. Yoga sessions are often included in the activity schedule at resorts like this one, typically held in the morning when the breeze off the ocean is cool and gentle. Combining a quiet beach walk at sunrise with a yoga class and a midday spa treatment can turn a stay into a genuine reset, which is exactly what many adult travelers are looking for. The adults-only environment helps reinforce that calm, allowing guests to step fully into vacation mode without distractions. For anyone seeking a balance between fun and self-care, the wellness side of the resort holds its own. Because the Wyndham Alltra is strictly adults only, the property skips the noise of children's clubs and family activities, which is itself part of its appeal for the audience it serves. Couples on a romantic trip, friend groups celebrating a milestone, or solo travelers wanting peace and quiet all benefit from the more grown-up atmosphere. This focus shapes everything from the music selection at the pool to the timing of evening shows. Location is one of the biggest selling points of the Wyndham Alltra, and the surrounding neighborhood gives guests plenty to explore. Fifth Avenue, the legendary pedestrian street of Playa del Carmen, is just 100 meters from the resort and stretches for blocks filled with shops, restaurants, bars, art galleries, and souvenir stands. The city center sits less than half a kilometer away, making it easy to step out and feel the local pulse of Playa del Carmen at any hour. The nearest beach is just 200 meters away, while Mamitas Beach and Playa del Carmen Main Beach are also within easy reach for those who want to sample different stretches of sand. For travelers wanting to venture further, ferries to the island of Cozumel depart from a nearby pier, opening up world-class snorkeling and diving opportunities. Looking at the resort overall, the strengths are clear. A fantastic location, friendly staff, multiple dining options, a lively atmosphere, and a true all-inclusive setup that lets guests stop thinking about money for a few days. Cleanliness scored a strong 4.7 on TripAdvisor, and service came in at 4.6, both excellent numbers that reflect the day-to-day experience. The weaker points tend to revolve around value at 4.3 and sleep quality at the same score, suggesting that some guests feel the price could deliver a touch more and that the lively atmosphere occasionally seeps into rooms during quieter hours. Rankings for the property in Playa del Carmen vary slightly depending on the source, hovering in the lower middle of the local pack, which fits its position as a solid 4-star option rather than a top-tier luxury resort. For travelers who prioritize location and atmosphere over high-end polish, it hits the mark. What truly makes the Wyndham Alltra stand out is the combination of an adults-only environment with a beachfront, walk-everywhere location. Most adults-only resorts in the Riviera Maya are set further from town, requiring shuttles or taxis for nightlife, but this property lets guests step out of the lobby and be on Fifth Avenue in under 2 minutes. That blend of resort relaxation and urban accessibility is genuinely rare. The lively vibe, the variety of dining venues, and the energetic bar scene also give the property a personality that suits travelers who want their vacation to feel social rather than secluded. For groups of friends or couples who enjoy a good time, that combination is hard to beat. While the property is primarily a leisure resort, it does have the space and infrastructure to host smaller events, intimate weddings, and group celebrations. Beachfront ceremonies, group dinners at the various restaurants, and private bar setups are all possibilities that the resort team can typically arrange for those interested. The variety of venues on-site means a group could spread out activities across different settings without ever needing to leave the property. The guest experience highlights that come up most often in reviews center on the staff, who are repeatedly described as super friendly and genuinely engaged in making guests feel welcome. From bartenders who remember a regular order to housekeeping teams that keep rooms spotless, the service tends to leave a strong positive impression. Combined with the beach, the food, and the lively atmosphere, those human moments are what turn a good vacation into a memorable one. For anyone considering an adults-only all-inclusive in Playa del Carmen, the Wyndham Alltra offers a compelling package that delivers on its promises. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.